up, everybody? Josh here from Log and Iron, living the sawdust life again. We're up here at Beagios. We're actually starting truss day here. We've got our columns, carriers set in the last couple of days here. So I'm working with Bill and the crew here. We're actually flying trusses probably today and tomorrow, and the timber section of this roof is going to be in place here in the next couple of days. So hopefully I get some decent footage of it. I don't know, I got to be crawling around, so I got to find somebody else to do footage. All right, stay tuned. So here we are, I'm up on top. We got a half truss, wall truss inside. This is the center foyer truss. I'm standing up on the girders right now. Bill and Kurt are setting the, getting ready to set the interior gable half truss. It's coming at me right now, so I gotta let you go. Finished up the front. We got the purlins on. All the front section is set. Tomorrow we're gonna be moving on to the back, getting those, I don't remember, 6 trusses up.